So first you take your old garbage helmet, then you take some sandpaper. I took 180, and you blast it down, you sand it down either with the machine or with your hands, by hand. So here I'm blasting it down, sanding it down. The next step, you remove the sun visor, you blast it down so the paint will grip better onto it. Then I will use a paint which is more texture like. I will tape all the holes, all the openings of the helmet, paint it, put it on some elevation so it doesn't touch the ground, so I can spray coat all the corners. Then I take some window cleaner, clean the sun visor, and voila, finish your new helmet with minimal costs.